Honor confirms Magic 8 RSR Porsche Design launch, a new era of luxury smartphones. Honor has officially confirmed the launch date for one of its most anticipated premium smartphones of the year, the Honor Magic 8 RSR Porsche Design. The device is set to make its global debut on January 19th, and based on what we've seen so far, Honor is aiming to push smartphone design and performance to an entirely new level. This launch won't happen in isolation either. Honor plans to unveil the Magic 8 RSR Porsche Design alongside another high-profile device, the Magic 8 Pro Air, signaling a major moment for the company's flagship lineup in early 2026. While Honor has kept many details under wraps, the teasers released so far already suggest that this is not just another luxury-branded phone. It's a statement device, a teaser that signals a bold new direction. Honor revealed the Magic 8 RSR Porsche Design through an eye-catching teaser poster shared on Weibo. The image immediately stands out, showing two Magic 8 RSR units side by side, each featuring a striking gradient finish. Unlike previous designs, the color intensity on the back panel appears stronger toward the lower half of the device and gradually softens as it moves upward. This subtle transition creates a sense of motion and depth, giving the phone a more dynamic and premium look. What's especially interesting is that this teaser marks the first official glimpse of a slightly reimagined Porsche design language under Honor's branding. The company clearly wants to honor tradition while introducing something fresh and visually distinctive. Moving beyond the classic Porsche design formula. In its official statement, Honor described the Magic 8 RSR Porsche Design as a device that goes beyond the classic. According to the company, this phone blends artistic expression with functional design, creating a balance between beauty and usability. Honor emphasized the new RSR model continues to inherit Porsche design's iconic flowing lines, a signature element that reflects speed, precision, and performance. However, instead of repeating older visual formulas, Honor appears to have refined and evolved the design to better match modern flagship expectations. This approach suggests that Honor is no longer content with simply attaching a luxury name to a phone. Instead, it's actively rethinking how premium smartphones should look and feel in 2026. A noticeable shift in camera design. One of the most obvious changes seen in the teaser is the camera module design. Unlike earlier Porsche design models that leaned heavily on geometric or hexagonal shapes, the Magic 8 RSR introduces a new, more fluid camera frame. This change makes the device look less industrial and more sculpted, aligning better with the idea of functional aesthetics. The camera housing blends more naturally into the back panel, enhancing both grip and visual harmony. Leaks that surfaced earlier hinted at this redesign, and the official teaser now confirms that Honor has fully committed to this new look. It's a bold move, especially for a Porsche-branded phone, but one that could redefine how luxury smartphones approach camera layout. Design that feels both fresh and familiar. Despite these changes, Honor has been careful not to abandon what made Porsche design phones recognizable in the first place. The Magic 8 RSR still carries a strong sense of identity, combining sharp edges with smooth curves and premium materials. The overall appearance feels modern yet restrained, futuristic but not flashy. This balance is likely intentional, as the target audience for Porsche design devices typically values sophistication over gimmicks. Honor's timing also feels right. With smartphone designs becoming increasingly similar across brands, introducing subtle but meaningful design tweaks helps the Magic 8 RSR stand out in a crowded flagship market. More than just looks, a focus on core experience. Honor has made it clear that the Magic 8 RSR Porsche Design isn't just about visual appeal. The company described the phone as a fusion of art and functional aesthetics, hinting at deeper improvements beyond the exterior. While Honor hasn't confirmed specific hardware details yet, the wording strongly suggests top-tier specifications, likely including a cutting-edge processor, advanced camera technology, and optimized software features designed for smooth, efficient performance. The phrase functional aesthetics implies that every design choice serves a purpose, whether it's improved ergonomics, better heat management, or enhanced durability. This philosophy aligns closely with Porsche's design principles, where form always follows function. what could be hiding under the hood. Although official specs haven't been revealed, expectations are already high. Given the RSR branding, users can reasonably expect a flagship-level chipset, premium display technology, advanced imaging features, refined software optimizations, backs Ossablage, possibly exclusive Porsche Design UI elements. Honor has historically used Porsche Design editions to showcase its most advanced technologies, and there's little reason to believe the Magic 8 RSR will be any different. Some features may even remain exclusive to this model, reinforcing its position as the ultimate version of the Magic 8 lineup. Launch event details and what to expect. Honor confirmed that the Magic 8 RSR Porsche Design will officially debut on January 19th at 7:30 p.m. China time. The event is expected to reveal full specifications, pricing, availability, and possibly global launch plans. With the Magic 8 Pro Air also scheduled to appear at the same event, January 19th is shaping up to be a major day for Honor fans and smartphone enthusiasts alike. The company has encouraged users to stay tuned, suggesting that there are still surprises left to be revealed during the launch presentation. Final thoughts. A luxury phone done right. Based on everything we've seen so far, the Honor Magic 8 RSR Porsche Design looks like a carefully considered evolution rather than a simple refresh. The refined design, updated camera layout, and emphasis on functional beauty suggest that Honor is taking the Porsche partnership more seriously than ever. If the internal features live up to the design promise, the Magic 8 RSR could easily become one of the most talked about luxury smartphones of 2026. All eyes are now on January 19th. Until then, anticipation continues to build. And Honor seems more than ready to make a statement.